Let's count 1 to 10. 1. 1 apple. 2. 2 bananas. 3. 3 cats. 4. 4 ice lollies. 5. 5 cars. 6. 5 6 tomatoes. 7. 5 6 7 balls. 8. 5 6 7 8 strawberries. 9. 5 6 7 9 oranges. 10. 5 6 7 9 10 smileys. Let's count one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now practice time. You say the number that appear on your screen. Keep practicing. Practice makes progress.